For each shoal tested, a demonstrator fish had to be trained to locate a food patch made of freeze-dried bloodworm. The food patch was behind an opaque barrier, so the demonstrator couldn't see it and had to learn how to get to it. A demonstrator was randomly netted and placed into the holding area, where it was left to acclimatise for 3 minutes before being released. This is a demonstrator on its first training trial. The food can be seen contained in the white ring in the top channel. Notice how the fish doesn't appear to be swimming with any purpose, rather it's just exploring this new environment, spending most of its time in the wrong channel. Fast forward the video a few minutes and it finally finds the food. Now this is the same guppy on its last training trial. It swims straight up the correct channel and takes just over 10 seconds to find the food. Once the demonstrator was trained, it was put into the holding area with a naive shoal for 3 minutes. The shoal was then released. In this case, it was the demonstrator that made the first move out of the holding area, and the rest of the shoal just followed it down the channel that it had been trained to find the food in. The procedure was much the same for the second experiment, except the tank was set up slightly differently and the demonstrator was removed before the naive shoal was released.